Friends, we have another question for CBSE Standard 10 NCERT syllabus. It is from chapter 13, surface area of solid structures. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively, and the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter, find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. Also find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of 500 rupees per square meter. Now, let this figure be that of the tent. This is the cylindrical portion. Height is 2.1 meter and base diameter 4 meter. Slant height at the top, which is conical, is given to be 2.8 meter. Recorded surface area is equal to surface area of the cylindrical portion, that is the curved portion, plus area of the top, that of the curved area, curved surface area of a cylinder, that is 2 pi RH, plus curved surface area of a circular cone, it is pi R. Here we can simplify as pi R is taken out as a common factor. Remaining is 2h plus L. Now 22 by 7 for pi. Radius is 4 by 2, that is 2 into 2h means 2 into 2.1, that is 4.2 plus slant height is given to be 2.8. Adding these two we will get 7. One simplification, it is 44 square meter. Surface area of the tent, it is 44 square meter. We are asked to find out the total cost of the canvas to be used. That is 44 multiplied by cost of 1 square meter is given to be 500 rupees. Therefore, total cost is 22,000 rupees. Right. Question number 5. A hemispherical depression is cut out from one of the faces of a cubical wooden block such that the diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to the edge of the cube. Then determine the surface area of the remaining solid. A hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of a cubical wooden block such that the diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to the edge of the cube. The diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to the edge of the cube. Determine the surface area of the remaining solution. It is given that the diameter of the hemisphere is L. Therefore, the height and the base of the cubical block will be L. We are asked to find out the surface area of the remaining solid. Surface area of the remaining solid, that is surface area of the 5 equal faces of the cube plus top area left plus area of the depression. That is equal to 5L square plus surface area of the 5 equal faces, that is 5L square plus top area, that is L square minus pi into L by 2 whole square. How is it? We can draw the top view, as this. Excluding the depression, there is some part left. The area of the spotted region is L square, that is area of the square minus area of the circle. Area of the circle is pi r square. That is pi into L by 2 whole square. Plus area of the depression. It is in the shape of a hemisphere. That is 2 pi into L by 2 square. Here the radius is L by 2. Now that is equal to 6 L square plus 4 pi 2 pi into L by 2 whole square. That is pi L square by 4 plus 2 into pi L square by 4. That is to say 6 L square. Here it is pi L square by 2. Therefore remaining is pi L square by 4. See, 2 into pi L square by 4 is pi L square by 2 minus pi L square by 4. That is pi L square by 4. That is equal to L square into 6 plus pi by 4. L square into 6 plus pi by 4. That is L square into 24 plus pi by 4. A hemispherical depression is cut out from one of the faces of a cubical wooden block such that the diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to the edge of the cube. Determine the surface area of the remaining solid. Here we have the diagram. As a side view, the top is shown separately. When we look from the top of the structure, there will be a portion left on the coordinates. Area of the portion left is accounted as area of the square minus area of the circle. That is L square minus pi into L by 2 square. Then area of the 5 faces, that is 5 L square. Then area of the portion in the shape of the hemisphere is 2 into pi r square. Here r is L by 2. There was 5 L square plus L square, that is 6 L square minus pi L square by 4 plus 2 into pi L square by square of 2, that is 2. When we simplify this, you will get pi L square by 2. Pi L square by 2 minus pi L square by 4, that is pi L square by 4. Now L square is taken out, L square into 6 plus pi by 4. Simplifying 24 plus pi by 4. Right. Thank you.